Good morning. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on how to look up zoning and zoning regulations on a particular property, and we'll just use one that one of our agents just reached out to me about. So the address is 115 5th Avenue Northeast. So the first thing I'm going to do, this is in City of St. Petersburg. So I'm going to search for City of St. Pete zoning map. Next, I'm going to click on Zoning Resources and Map, and you're going to want the GIS zoning map. So here it is. GIS zoning map is right here. You're going to hit I agree. And so this is the zoning map of St. Petersburg and all its glorious colors. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to search for our address up here. 115 5th Avenue Northeast. You're going to click on it when it pulls up, and it's going to bring you right to the property. So as you can see, there are a lot of different zoning designations really close by. So just north of here, you have one zoning designation in yellow. The actual property is zoned CRT1, which is going to be important for just a minute from now. Corridor Residential Traditional. So just north of that, we have NT2. Just south of that, we have DC3. Right next to it, we have DC2. And then like a block away, we have a different zoning altogether. But this is the one that's important to us because it is currently zoned CRT1, and we're not going to be talking about rezoning quite yet. So the next thing you're going to do is do another quick search for the City of St. Petersburg Municipal Code. You're going to click on the Code of Ordinances, and then up here in the search, you are going to search for quote CRT1, and then you're going to hit enter. So what this is going to do is it's going to search the municipal code specifically for mentions of CRT-1. So it's going to give you an intro to those districts, meaning what the districts are basically set up for. It's pretty self-explanatory. They're for residential traditional districts. But then it's also going to tell you the principal and accessory land uses, meaning what you can do on a CRT1 property, and then development potential. So if you have somebody asking you, can I do an Airbnb in CRT1? This is going to tell you the principal and accessory land uses is going to tell you if you're able to or not. So it's going to give you all these different types of uses, and it's going to tell you if it's A, allowable, or I'm sorry, P, principal, meaning yes, you can do it. A, accessory, meaning you can do it, but it can't be the primary use of it. NC, non-conforming, which means no, you can't. And SE, with a special exception from the city, you're able to. So in these, let's see, CRT1 sections, you are able to do residential. You're able to have as an accessory use like an artist studio. You are able to do instruction, tutoring, personalized, that type of good thing. So the next thing we're going to look at is development potential. So CRT1 is going to allow a minimum lot size of 4,500 square feet, with the maximum residential density being 24 units per acre. So if you go back and you look at what size that property is, you know, most of these properties in CRT1 are certainly not going to be an acre, otherwise you'd be a gazillionaire in downtown St. Pete. But these are all of the conforming uses within the CRT1 zone. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any other questions. It also gives you like building setbacks and building heights. Here's the setbacks from the front yard. So if you're tearing something down and trying to rebuild something new, these setbacks are going to be pretty important to you as well in the CRT1 zone. Thanks, guys.